Yo, what's going on, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video right now. And my name is Abdu and welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe below. I'm gonna be dropping a lot more and higher quality videos very soon on my channel. I know this is not the best quality content in the world, but it is what it is. As of right now, I'm just getting the ball rolling here. So without further ado, I know why you guys want to watch this video right now, because you guys want to know how I made $20,000 profit in 7 days, right? So just for the people, it's not revenue, it's not gross profit, it's all profit that was left in my pocket after the product cost and after the advertisement cost. So let's get into it. So basically, this was during the Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend. So this was during the time where people were already spending money online, buying, millions of products during that weekend and during that week, right? So I had two sources of traffic coming. One was Facebook and one was Google. So why I say slash Instagram, because Facebook owns Instagram platform, which means you have the ability to add, if you want, you have the ability to advertise on Instagram as well with the same content that you're advertising on Facebook, right? You do not have to go on a different website to advertise on Instagram. It's located in the same platform, in the ads manager and the business manager. So on Facebook, so there are pros and cons for Facebook and Google ads. So let's just talk about Facebook right now. Basically, on Facebook, you are chasing and looking for potential customers based on their interests, right? Or demographics provided by the Facebook database. Whether you want it or not, Facebook saves our data and they know what type of content we watch on Facebook or Instagram and what type of content we're more likely interested in. And so if you're a girl, if you watch makeup videos all the time, most of the time Facebook advertise you those type of products, right? Makeup products or cosmetics. So for example, they would not advertise cosmetics to me because the reason is I do not watch makeup videos, right? They know that I was never interested in that type of content, right? And they know that, so they do not advertise those type of products. So they could advertise to me fitness products because sometimes I watch fitness videos, right? So they know that your interest, they know your demographics, they know your family members, they do know all of that stuff. So it sounds scary, but it is what it is. It's the reality, right? um so on Facebook, you can target people with specific age groups. So you can target people, millennials, right, from 18 to 24, or you can target people based on their genders, male or female, or 79th gender. So I'm just joking, but there is no 79th gender. But there could be 79th gender. You never know, yo. Like, it's 2018. You can never argue with somebody about that, and that's one of the things I don't do. But besides that, and you can target based on the country they live in. So if they live in the United States, but they're traveling to a different country, you can also target those type of people, because on Facebook you have the ability to choose like specific type of people, right? If they're traveling, you can target people that are traveling. Facebook knows who are traveling because they know you bought a ticket to Australia last weekend. Who are you trying to hide it from? Facebook knows. Your mom might not know, but your Facebook knows. Trust me, they know. But for Instagram and Facebook, you must have a product video or picture to advertise, right? And a good copywriting skills. So it's unlike Google, you need a content to advertise with, right? You cannot just put a blank picture, not a blank picture, but white background and a picture of the product and expect to get sales. It's not going to happen. That's just a dream. Kill that dream. So there should be a good video, good quality, high quality video that explains what's the product and how it can help people to solve their problem. Or it could be a different type of product which is I'll talk about later in the video. I do not want to say it right now. You guys are gonna get confused. But in my case, I was selling $80 product on Facebook through video content. I was using video content, not a picture. So the picture would not work for my product because if I just put up a picture, it's gonna be just like any other products. But it's a unique product, right? So it doesn't necessarily solve their problem, but it's a very unique product that could help them to do much better, and it's a much better product than other products that they're using currently in the market, right? So the second source of traffic was Google Ads. On Google Ads, customers are looking for your product, right? So the customers are looking for your product, right? You do not need a video or picture to advertise on Google. For example, if we go here, I search up neck pillow. So this is what's called Google Shopping ads, right? So this is different than search ads. Search ads that appear like this over here. So if you can see, this is an ad by a Moxie. This sounds like a condom brand, but whatever, right? They're advertising the same product right here. And this is, if just for people who are wondering, CPC is cost per click, which means this is the average on what companies pay for this specific keyword, best neck pillow. So on average, they pay $1.04. Besides that point, so I sold $100 product like hotcakes. The reason is that because that product was being advertised on Facebook and Instagram repeatedly. So I took advantage of the volume searches that it was creating on Google, right? And I looked up on Google Trends. The keyword was literally booming, right? It was booming, and I took advantage, and I created that product. I uploaded a product and started advertising on Google through search campaigns. So at that time, no one was using Google Ads at all, except one or two companies. But those two companies were already established brands, right? So they most of the time, those established brands, they just do light advertising on Google, right? On Google, they just put advertisement with specific budget that they want, right? But when I came into that platform and advertised my product, I literally beat those prices, and I paid higher cost per clicks. But it was worth it for me because I was literally making 4x, 5x, whatever's 4x, 5xing my money every time every time I spent $1, I was making at least $4 back with Google Ads, right? So would you not want to keep that same, repeatedly? If you're spending $1 and getting back $4, would you not do the same thing? So it's just, easy process that you guys need to understand, right? But so I took advantage of that search volume that the Facebook ads created by many other dropshippers, and I did not compete with others. I did not. You don't want to go on the same route. So back to So since we'll finish this right here, let's see, what is this? So people start looking for their product. Exactly. So it's the same thing as I explained earlier. But my product listing appeared on the first page. So when people looked, so let's say my product was a neck pillow. When they looked, my product listing came up right here on the first couple of links on top of the page. So for this product, it's not showing up. But when people looked for my product, they did not see a lot of this because not many people were advertising. So most of the time, the first thing came up was the Google search, and most of the time, my product listing came up first on top of the first page. So they clicked on it and they saw the product, they liked it, they bought it. So I just want to quickly talk about two types of products, right? You can sell two types of products. One of the products, so if either you must have a product that solves the problem, or you must have a product that is emotionally attached or relatable to people, right? So what I mean is that, for example, the neck pillow, it's not an emotional attachment product, right? So neck pillow is a product that solves people's problem. So why does it solve a problem? Because when you fly, like, when you go to airplanes and stuff, so your neck hurts, right? So you need something to sleep on. So neck pillows solves your problem. Your neck doesn't hurt, right? So it makes their life easier with that product and more efficient, right? And I gave a different example here, but salad bowl cutter. So if I look that up here, salad bowl cutter. So this product makes the process of making a salad much easier and faster process, right? This product sold millions, right? About 8 or 9 months ago. So as you can see, they're still selling it right here. So I'm gonna show you guys the pictures. So as you can see right here, you can just cut all of your salad, put tomatoes and everything in there, and just cut it like easily, right? And make the salad much faster. And so instead of making a salad in 5 minutes, you're making a salad in 1 minute. So people would pay $15, $20 to save 4 minutes. It's just they do that, right? So, and another type of product is a product with emotional attachment or relates to people. So something example like a dog necklace, right? So dog necklace is a product that is emotionally attached to people. So which means that people love their dogs, right? They love their pets. So they would get something that represents their dog as a necklace, right? So it doesn't solve any of their problems. It's just a necklace. There are a million types of necklaces, but why they buy dog necklaces? Because it represents something, right? there's emotional attachment to that product, right? It means something. There's meaning behind that product, why they're buying it. But there is no meaning behind salad bowl cutter. There's no emotional attachment for that product. It basically, it just solves their problem. But for dog necklace, it's an emotional attachment, right? So it's different feeling when they buy that product. So in today's video, that's all I wanted to talk about. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be dropping a lot more valuable videos in the near future. You guys do not want to miss on that. So, and if you guys have any questions, you can drop it in the comments below, and I will reply to you guys. And also follow me on Instagram. It's abdu.09. All right, peace out until the next one.